Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A real quick video this morning, but before we get into the video, how are you guys? I hope you're well, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and or you've have or are having a wonderful day, because different times around the globe, so yeah. Anyway guys, if you're new, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to also turn on post notification bell so you'll be one of the first to see my videos as soon as I upload. Anyway guys, let's get straight into the video. Right, I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me kind of thing. I'm already dressed and everything, all of that. I'm gonna do like a quick makeup and all of that, kind of like an everyday makeup, but jazz it up a little, not too boom in your face, but a little bit boom, because I'm going to Northampton today, and it was my cousin's birthday yesterday, so yeah, I'm going to Northampton. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So you guys know that I use this as a starter base. If you guys can see that, my ring light is kind of getting in the way. Ooh, there you go. Yeah, so I use that, and I use 2 pumps, and that kind of goes as my base for my face. All over. Anyways, when I do that, I get my eye pencil and eyebrow pencil and kind of start. So I have my mirror here, so I'm just going to quickly do that. So the way I do my eyebrows is I kind of like line it out first and then fill it in. So that's what I kind of do. I line it and then like underneath and on top, like line it, give it the shape that I want, and then I'll just do the same for here and fill it in. So I'll be right back. So guys, I've done my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm just going to quickly clean them up with my concealer, and this is by Virtual Makeup Full Cover Long Wear Concealer. You guys can see it, like my light is really messing up my ring light. Yeah, I decided to get a ring light, so yeah guys, hopefully it makes things a little bit more clearer and kind of like more brighter, which I noticed because I actually recorded one of my videos literally like 11 o'clock, literally I think it was like 11:30 or thereabouts, that I was just starting to record a video in the night, so it kind of worked well. So yeah, anyways, I just get a little bit onto my concealer brush and kind of just conceal away, like clean it up basically. Clean it up and make it nice and neat. So guys, this is what my eyebrows look like now after like cleaning them up and everything. So what I do next, I'm just going to go straight in with my Makeup Revolution Full Coverage Foundation. So, and this is in F13. And I kind of just dab all over. And I get my foundation brush and go to town with it. But yeah, if I wanted to do like a more, boom, I'll probably maybe put another layer of foundation on, but I don't want to right now. So yeah. So the next thing that I do is get my Makeup Revolution concealer, which is in C12 point, yeah, 12. I was thinking 12.2 or something like that. No, but 12 is in 12. And I kind of just go in, y'all. I just go in. So I go under my eye and just make sure to get my T-zones. And lately I've been using this silicone sponge, whatever, it's a blend, and it's been working wonders. Actually, it blends it out. I don't lose products, it doesn't soak up the products, and it gets like to the corners, whereas like with a brush sometimes I struggle to like get it in the corners, like right under my eye, because it tickles my eyes and I'm there like and my eyes start watering. But with this, it just slides right in. So after doing that, I get my collection baking powder, and I use this little sponge. So I just dip it in there to just get a few, and I go to town with it. So yeah, and while that is going on and baking and all of that, I get my contour. I get my contour stick and I kind of just go lightly. I don't want to make it too dramatic, so I kind of just go lightly into it and everything like that. And just go in my nose like that, and I kind of, they're like beautiful eyes. So what that's doing, like I said, it's like I don't really want to go too much into like makeup and everything, because it's not really like an over the top. So I get my Wet n Wild, what is this called? I get my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with, trying to think, I'm gonna go in with one of the transition. Is it either this shade? It looks a little bit harsher than what it is, like it's because of the light, but it doesn't look like that. It's a little bit, that's a bit harsh on the screen. It looks like grey. It's not grey, it's literally brown, but dark brown. Can you guys see that? Maybe when I move it away you kind of see it a little bit better, but I'm actually going to go in with this shade because I actually want just like a natural look. So I'm going to go in with this transition shade and just get that and kind of go into town. Yeah, so I've gone in with it. You can't really see it because it kind of blends in with my skin, which was the whole purpose. Anyways, I'm also gonna now kind of go in with like this shade a bit, just a little bit of it, just a little bit, just to kind of give it a little bit more. Yeah. And that's it for the eyeshadow. So yeah, after doing that, all I do is just go one of my brush and kind of swoop this under and swoop this off, swoop that, swoop that, swoop that, and then I contour. I get my little contour brush and just contour. That's pretty much it, and then I just go in with overall powder. I can't remember where I got this powder from. Blow and kind of just go all in, just to give it a finishing look. So yeah guys, that's it, and that's all I'm just gonna do. And obviously I go in with mascara. I need to get a new mascara because I'm not really liking this mascara actually that I got. Yeah, it's not performing the way I thought it would. Just go in with my highlighter and kind of just and then I get my little highlight brush and kind of just, so I do it in a circular motion. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm literally done with my makeup. Now I'm gonna try and see if I can decide what I'm gonna do with this hair. I don't know, what shall I do? Well, first of all, let's go through it. So you kind of do like a style with it and see what I can do. And I think this is how I'm actually gonna take my hair out, because I don't know what else to do with it. So that's like a quick hairstyle. So there you go guys, that's what I do. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyways, I shall catch you guys later. Bye.